time to go put these birds away. Ooh, I look like hell. It's hot out here, guys. Hot. So hot. You ready? I'm gonna put these birds away. Oh, Peter's still out. Come on now, Peter. Peter. Go home, Peter. Come on. Oh, there you go. You can go see the babies. And you got the dodo. And here, we got the babies. Look at the babies. Say hi. And then down there, you got the mama. Wait a minute. I'm going to get up. Hold up, hold up. We got Ebony and Turkey Neck. Soon babies again. Come on, Peter, go to bed. We got Decades Daniel's house right there. And then say hi to Jacob. Hi, Jacob. Oh, I have another egg. Look at that. Another egg. Lovely. Another one. Anywho. Let's say hi, Jacob. Hi, Jacob. Hi. We share the same birthday. Hi, Jacob. Let me take a little walk around here. Take a little look and see. Peter won't go away. He's a pain in my ass. Well, just wanted to stop in and say hi. And I'm going to give a shout out to King Cobra JFS, one of my favorite YouTubers. Ain't no lie, I'm not a troll, I'm not a sicko, blog, blog, whatever. But I really do love that nigga. Anywho. Oh, and look, I'm growing grass. Well, you guys have a day. Bye-bye.